In this video, we'll look at activating the DJI software with an IX camera on a DJI 600 or 600 Pro. Using a DJI drone and a Phase 1 IX camera in combination for the first time requires an initial activation. The activation is done via the internet and a remote control connection to a mobile device running DJI Go. Using a USB cable, connect the remote control unit to a mobile device with an internet connection. Configure the remote control into intelligent flight mode by toggling the flight mode switch to F mode. Launch the DJI Go app on the mobile device and power on the UAV. Once the DJI Go app has launched, wait for this to initiate with the camera. Once it has, we can exit and open IX Capture Mobile. This will then configure the settings and connect to the camera and the UAV.